Hey guys, welcome back to Technique Tuesday. Today we're going to be going over the battle ropes. With these, you can't really do them incorrectly, but you can do them better, and that's what we're going to try and show you today, okay? So, when you are doing the battle ropes, first things first, make sure they're nice and even, okay? Often when you come into a gym, you're going to find that one's a lot longer than the other. It's just as simple as adjusting it at the other end. Usually it's just a quick couple of pulls. Pull them out straight, they should be about even, okay? Next step, don't hold them fully straight. That's the other mistake that sometimes we see as PTs. You actually want a little bit of slack in the ropes. This is going to allow you to get that little wave motion. Whereas if you hold them straight, very shoulder Frankenstein look-alike. Okay, so there's two main ways you can do the battle ropes. One's going to attack your forearms, your biceps, a little bit your shoulders a bit more. The other one's going to attack your traps and your shoulders. Okay? We'll start with the first. With this one, make sure your knees are bent. You're holding the ropes, you've got that slack in the ropes. And all we're going to do is we're going to flick like you're trying to get something off the end of the rope. So flick it up with one arm, flick it up with the other. And then as you get good, go a little bit quicker. So, see how the knees stay bent, and we're just shaking the ropes, trying to flick something off the end. Second way to do this, again, same position, knees bent, hold the ropes, got the slack. We're going to throw them both up at the same time. Again, aim that you're trying to flick something off the end of the rope. When you're in position, you're ready to go, hit it a bit quicker. And you're going to get a hell of a workout in your traps, your shoulders, cardio-wise. You can see I'm already starting to lose my breath a little bit. They're a great workout. They're a great exercise for the end of your workouts. And they're the battle ropes. Once you get good at them, you can search up different exercises. There's tons on YouTube that you can do. Spinning them side to side, throwing them side to side. Very versatile. Anyway, please give this video a like if you enjoyed the content. Comment down below any future exercise you'd like to see, and don't forget to click subscribe to keep updated with all our content. In the next one.